Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to walk you through how to use the auto zoom feature on your map on your Garmin Instinct watch. Now I'm using the Garmin Instinct Solar. It shouldn't matter if you've got one of the solar versions or non-solar versions. This video should work the same for everybody. So to start this video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to navigate to a saved location of mine just to kind of show you exactly what we're talking about here. So let me pick a saved location and let's go to it. Now I've got the auto zoom feature turned off. You'll notice when I go in and I start doing this navigation, here's my location, here's the destination I'm getting to. It's really zoomed out. So I can press and hold the menu button and I can pan and zoom accordingly by zooming in or zooming out. But you don't have to do this. There's a feature on the Garmin Instinct watch that you can turn in to where it'll automatically set your zoom based on what it thinks you should use for that map. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop this navigation. Let's first get out of here. And let's just discard it. Now let's go to our map settings. We're going to press and hold the menu button. We're going to arrow down to settings. We're going to press GPS to select settings. We're going to go to map. We're going to press GPS to select map, and we're going to go to auto zoom, and we're going to turn it off. On. I think in most people's case, they would want this on. The only reason you wouldn't want to is if you want to just control the zoom level manually, then you would want to turn it off. So now I'm going to go do the same thing we did before. I'm going to navigate to a saved location, and I'm going to pick the exact same saved location as before. But this time you'll notice it went ahead and it took me in to a closer zoom than where we started out before. I can see my starting location, I can see where I'm going to, and I'm zoomed in. That's what the auto zoom feature will do for you, is depending on where you're navigating to, the watch will automatically determine what your zoom level should be versus putting you all the way up and making you zoom in or zoom out accordingly, manually based on your own user preference. I hope this makes sense. I think the default from Garmin is that this is on, but if you've got any issues, at least you know where it is if you want to turn it off or if you want to make sure that it's turned on your watch. As always, I hope this video helps. If you've got any questions, post them in the comments. Be happy to help you out.